Hello, this is Jane M Reviews here, and today I am happy to review this free sample provided by Dr. B's. It's a multigrain bread, plain, so it's low calorie. It has 7 grams of protein. It's sugar free, it's keto friendly, and there is five of these loaves of bread. So this is how it looks. There's 60 calories in each um, slice. So this is how it looks toasted. It's delicious. I like it. I like it in my breakfast since it's low calorie. I enjoy having two slices. This is how it looks. Mine is plain, and I like it because it's also low carb. And even if you're counting calories or stuff like that, this is a great option. I hope you check them out. They do also have different flavors, but I'm happy with my Dr. B's low carb bread. Thank you for watching.